beautiful day out in St. Catharines today. Middle of May, I'm at the beach right off the QEW highway, and there's an abandoned, wrecked ship behind me. It used to be a pirate ship, and it was left in this harbor here because someone was trying to make it into a restaurant, and they were going to bring it to Niagara Falls and make it to a boathouse restaurant on the falls, but they couldn't afford to start the business, so they just left their ship here, and it's been sitting here as long as I can remember, like a legit pirate ship. And then there's this small beach right behind it. With the lighthouse and like the rock walkway. Like, this ship is legit. I want to swim out to it one day in the middle of the night, climb up the side, and go inside and chill there for an hour, drink some beers, and have like a party on there with a few people. Like, check this out. The other side is bent down, you can get right in. And then you can walk right all the way down to the lighthouse and chill on the beach.